Hello, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to make onion juice for improving hair's health. So first of all you have to take two onions, cut them into small pieces and add them into blender jar. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now blend it properly to make a paste. Now take a saucepan and add this mixture to saucepan and after this you have to add half cup of coconut oil and you have to keep a saucepan on low flame until the paste become brown and oil will get separated. Now take a cheesecloth and pass the mixture through it so oil and paste will get separated. You can do it just the way you are watching in the video. After this, take a clean bottle and add the oil in that bottle and then store it any dry place, and then you can add few drops of any essential oil to mask onion smell, and before taking bath you can apply this oil to your hairs and scalp and you will be amazed. Thank you.